What is going on, guys? This is Wayne coming to you live from the iTrain studio. You probably got this video from somewhere cool. Make sure you check out the links we have below. We've got this workout, we've got a free keto quiz, we've got our smoothie diet going on down there. Make sure you hit that bad boy. There's so many other informative things, our personal training, etc. But this video in particular is going to be a video on workouts that I want you to do when you can't be with us or during holidays of some sort. We've got 5 exercises. Each of these exercises you're going to do for 10 reps. So 5 exercises, 10 reps. There's going to be graphics popping up everywhere. Once you do that, I want you to start a timer when you start with your first exercise and then stop the timer at the last exercise. We're going to repeat it, but this time I want you to get to that exercise faster. If you beat your time, get to it. If you don't beat your time, next time you do this when you're working out at home by yourself, then make sure you beat your time. We've got first exercise we're going to start off with just a body weight squat, okay? We're going to be going for 10 reps. If you can squat, make sure you just give me a top heavy squat. Next thing we're going to be going for is we're going to find 2 points, call it 6 feet apart. It could be your shoes, anything of the sort. We're going to go for an inchworm. We're going to walk them out, bring them up, stand straight up. We're going to go for 10 reps of those inchworms. Once you've done 10 reps in the intro, another favorite of mine, we're going to go into burpees, kick out, kick in, jump straight up. We're going to go 10 reps. From there, we're going to go into a jack for 10 reps. And finally, we're going to go into push-ups. Make sure your wrists are underneath your shoulders. 10 reps or 10 reps. And finally, you've got it. You see the rounds. You've done it. Make sure you hit this link below somewhere. And good luck. Peace.